Hello, I would like to purchase 2 adult admission tickets.
Certainly, would you like to add the special art exhibition?
Yes, please include the special exhibition in our tickets today.
Do you have a student ID card for a discount?
No, we don't qualify for any student discount rates.
Okay, the total price is $45 for everything.
Can I book an official travel guide for this afternoon?
Guided tours are fully booked for the rest of today.
That's a pity. Do you have any audio guides?
We offer a digital audio guide app for your smartphone.
Is the audio guide available in the English language?
Yes, it features high-quality English commentary for all rooms.
How much does it cost to download the tour application?
The audio guide download is completely free with your ticket.
That's wonderful. Can I pay using my credit card?
We accept all major credit cards and online mobile payments.
Here is my contactless Visa card for the payment now.
Thank you. Please tap your card on the terminal here.
What time does the museum close this evening, please?
Our galleries close at 6 o'clock in the evening sharp.
Are we allowed to take photos inside the historical galleries?
Photography is allowed, but you must turn off the flash.
I understand. No flash photography is allowed near the paintings.
Exactly, because bright light can damage the old oil artwork.
Where is the entrance to the main history hall located?
Go up the central stairs and turn right at hallway.
Thank you for providing such clear information and great service.
Here are your entry tickets and the map brochure. Enjoy.
We're very excited to explore your beautiful museum today.
Have a fantastic time immersing yourself in our local history.
Watch the next lesson on the end screen now.